Usaleng East Sangmau MP ke Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Constituency ulok kedno bagi Executive Committee Balam Khamat dakan National People's Party Jong Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kalau penduk jingkerman ya kipat ba karilom garu ke bajian nadu bagi Sorkar jala ke sedang ban Siew Tulop hi syakinong trai ke council. Nakababut jingkeli ya kerai berkendet jong Sorkar jala ke bakwa ban Siew Tulop hi no daladi syakinong trai ke council UMP ulaong bakadai ke jing muslia ban mari penbenaya kene kipat ba karilom garu ki sngoto baka Executive Committee jong ke NPP kamla ban Pynïaid ya ke council. Ulaong baki Autonomous District Council lamang bakin Pynïaid ya ki kam jong ki kat kum ke jing mi pisa jong ki berai nuksa baka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kala kentat ya kani ke jing terwa. Syu la penpau baka don ke jing Subaru halor ke por jing penbenaya kani gerai ke bawan mi hadian saupu ar menai ke jing bom yok tulap ki nong trai ke GHADC bat benrap baka don AA shalendan.
When state government started paying, or maybe when they have announced to pay, that means government has already admitted that the EC of NPP cannot run the state. I mean the Autonomous District Council. They failed the district council itself, the 6 seat itself. When they have already announced and started paying a salary from the state government. You need not have to be happy for that. You see, district council is the autonomous district council, which is to run by everything on their own, create the fund for their own, get the fund by themselves, give the salary by themselves. But when government has announced that they wanted to pay and they started paying, that means the EC has already failed the governance. The administration has already failed the district council. They have failed, the NPP has failed the people of the Garo Hills. Okay? And even they try to infringe upon the district council of Khasi Hills also, but they rejected bluntly, openly. Even I don't know about the district council of the Giant Hills. They have bluntly rejected the offer from the state government. We could have done the same thing also. But the EC from the district council of Garo Hills was very, very weak, and the administration has failed. Their governance was not there at all. Now, where it is there to be proud of, tell me? Just because the state government is... Now, I could see some, malefic intention out here. Whether to cover up whatever the central government has paid one-time grant for the district council. I'm feeling so right now. Because I've seen lots of Facebook that has come out in the Facebook, that solar light tender was already floated, work order was given, and one-time grant was also there. Even when Chief Minister was speaking on that, I could see that 600 something crore was also there. And then at that time, in the month of, in 2024 itself, I think the central government has granted something to the state government, to the district council. Okay? District council, Garo's district council. But I don't know whether it is fact or not. Till now, no FIR has been made by the district council staff. It is there in the newspaper, there in the Facebook, that 19 crore, 24 crore, 29 crore, 21 crore was, the work order was given for the, the solar street light in the villages. Whether they are trying to hide the scam that is happening within the district council. That's why the state government is so eager to pay the salary for the district council. Why suddenly? After 42 months, is the failure of the government, the EC, NPP government is, because they have been running this EC from 2013 only. It's not any other EC, It's the NPP EC who is running the district council for very, very long time. That is from 2013 till that, 2025. How many scams are there? You see, money was sent by the central government for different developmental projects. One-time grant was given hundreds of crores from the 15 finance for the development. What has happened to this money? Just because they want to cover up something illegal that has happened, some scam that has happened within the district council, that's why they started paying the salary. I have not seen before the state government was so eager and then easy to, pay the salary of district council. It's a good. I like the spirit that they really wanted to pay and they're paying it. But whether they are paying it from the state fund, that's a big question. Okay, whether they are paying the salary from the district council's major minister's share or from the central government one-time grant that was given by the union government. Okay, now that day also I have seen in one of the Facebook coming out again. I meant to say, somewhere that 325 crore was given as an work order or something like that for mosquito net, and then again rural marketing, again 94 crore was given for the solar street light, all sorts of were there. So are they trying to hide these scams? That's why they are so eager to pay. Maybe that's the reason why the government is the ministers and the government and the chief minister are going to the ground to Garo Hills, so as to out of fear to cover up the scam that they have done, the wrong that they have done, so as to pacify the people to get back and vote for them again. So it seems like they're hiding something, the big scam which they have scammed the district council of Garo Hills. They have already placed 600 something crore. Out of that, they might have got something, because in 2024 itself, it was already approved. See? How many crores was approved? We don't know. But if it is not, then why the state government is not filing an FIR, or the district council is not filing an FIR against that particular work order issued to the private companies like Giga, Goldfinch, all those things are there. I could give you the the materials which is already there in the Facebook. Okay, even the chief minister himself has said that he will be distributing solar street light for the villages, which was already approved and then sanctioned under that proposal only. Are they trying to hide that particular? And one-time grant for the salary has not been paid for the district council. Whether they have really got this one, that's why they are slowly slipping this, amount, the fund to the district council slowly, steadily, and then keeping certain amount to have the, incurred interest. We don't know that one. But if it is true, why they are not highlighting directly if they are open to the people? It's a serious crime actually. And then any officers who are involved, if it is true, definitely they are going to go to jail. 100%. Okay? If they are hiding the scheme which was meant for the district council to the people of the Garo Hills, if they are keeping it, one day or the other, because definitely one day people will not be in the slumber, definitely they will wake up and they will see the truth. If they're just trying to hide, pacify the people, just trying to go and then connect with the people, trying to speak to the people, it's wrong. One way or the other, they say, God says the truth but waits. Okay? If they are trying to hide something or the other, one day, definitely someone or somebody will definitely get caught. If it is not true, then they should file an FIR against that particular, whichever, Facebook or whichever, that order has come out. That's what. There's lots of things, the scam that is still, Now, for example, from Ministry of Tribal Affairs, from Home, from, from Environment, and then from the, 15 Finance, it has come. Let's see.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya